Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete page in Facebook. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. In order to delete your page, you need to head over right here to your three lines. Then just switch to the page that you want. So I want to delete this social right here. So head over and click on that. And then this will switch to that particular page. Now in order to delete it, head over right here to the three lines. And then click on this gear icon. Now in here you can see in here a lot of settings that you can head over right here to the page setup, and you can see in here the page access, page status, and the likes. Click on this page status right here, and you can see the status for your actual page. Another option that you can do is you can just remove right here and then scroll down, and you can see in here this access and control as well as your information. Click on this access and control. Click on this deactivation and deletion. Now click on this delete page and click on continue. And then you can also choose in here the option why you want to delete your page. Now scroll down and click on continue as well, and then just enter in here your Facebook password that is connected to your page in order to successfully done or save all of these changes that you have just made. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.